place, new fun! Hello guys, welcome back to the Journal Traveling of Claradio, your travel buddy to explore the world in the most fun and colorful way. Today's adventure starts right here, so buckle up, grab your favorite snack and let's travel together. Welcome to PALO 101 Ipoh, the vibrant new lifestyle destination in the heart of Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. Halloween Special, PALO 101 Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia, 1st November 2025, start from 4 p.m. until late night, Dumb Haunted Rave, Halloween Party Atmosphere, tagline, Ipoh's biggest haunted rave. This Halloween celebration transforms PALO 101 into a high-energy festival with DJs, party lights, costumes, and Halloween-themed ambience. Thank you for watching our full coverage of Halloween at PALO 101. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. We upload new travel, lifestyle, and event videos every week, so don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next episode.